Welcome. My name is an iPhone SE from 2020, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. So to get started, we'll need to open up settings, and let me just go back to the main page. So there we go, settings, and from here you want to scroll down to battery, where you'll find low power mode. So enable that, and you get a message. It basically says that notifications, stuff like that, data will be synced more like in bulk, so it won't be constantly looking for data as it normally does, and a couple other things. So I just tap on continue. So it lowers and kind of limits a bunch of things like apps in the background, brightness usually, but up here I don't guess not on the iPhones, and just the normal background data is limited as well. And you can see also that the battery becomes yellow when the power saving mode is enabled. So that's how you would enable it. And to disable it, you would actually have to go back here to the battery section and just disable it again. And that is how you would do that. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.